Alright folks, let's get this main one started. So the time is 5th of May 2020, it's 7:34 and it's 7:34 on the 5th of May here in Perth, and it's punt number 126, which is the Tomb of Dracula number 10, CBCS 7.5, which is the first appearance of Blade the Vampire Slayer. Winner gets it all, so we've got 150 bites. Donald's at number 1, Dax at number 150, and I've put those in, so Donald at number 1, all the way down to 150, which is Dak, and I've filled in those mini spots for Nelson, Aaron, and Donald. So let's get the dice rolled. So another small one, we got 7 here, 5 plus 1 is 6, plus 1 is 7, so let's get this started. Good luck everyone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and final roll. So 7. We've had 6 rolls, so this is the final one. Good luck everyone, and message me when you see this. Alright, so we've got 7 rolls. Let's have a look. Who the winner is. And the winner is Aaron Robertson. Well done, mate. I think that's the first one you've bought in for me. I'm not sure when you join the site, but congrats. PM me when you see this, and I'll get it out to you tomorrow. Thanks everyone for the support, and yeah, there can only be one winner. Congrats, Aaron. Timestamp in. Time at 7:37, and the time is 7:37 here in Perth. Thanks guys.